All right, foodies. Today we're about to take you on a flavor journey. I got some rib tips al pastor coming up, and whoo, it's about to blow your mind. All right, let's get to it. Smoky. We're gonna do something real cool today. I know y'all see, I don't see no meat out here right now. It's cause I gotta get something together. So I got my 2 cups of water. So what we gonna do is we are gonna do Chicago soul mixed with Mexican heritage. We taking some rib tips and making them al pastor. Al pastor rib tips. What you think about that?
That's cool.
Yeah, that's gonna be fire, baby. Like the Ohio players. Only if you old school, you may know. If you millennials, Gen Z, if your parents taught you about that fire Ohio players. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started with some ingredients here. So with this recipe, if nothing else, we gotta have our Guajillo peppers, Ancho chili peppers, achiote, and pineapple juice. We gotta have that. We're gonna throw other stuff, but this is what these must haves. You gotta have that. Yeah, we do 5 of those. Like that size. These peppers smell good. And don't worry, y'all. These peppers are not hot at all. They are quite sweet. This is almost like a big raisin, so. Alright. Just here, take them out, dump them on here. Dump the seeds out. I remember I tried taking these out after I soaked the seeds, and it was a disaster doing it like that. So take the seeds out while they dry. All right, destem these. Take the pepper out. Pull the stem out. All right, give it a few minutes. Let it hydrate. And we'll be right back. Oh, yes, the other important part, you gotta have a good white onion. So we do about half of that. That should do it. Which one should I use, y'all? This one, the regular size, or the large size? Half. I'm going with this one. Slice it up just a little bit to go in the food processor. Make life a little easy. Gotta have the achiote. Use about half of this. So this is also seasoned too, y'all. Oh yeah. See, this is it right here. If you don't have this, ain't no sense to even you making it. So we're doing roughly 2 ounces, so it's 3.5 ounces. So I'm gonna say this is 2 ounces. I ain't putting out the scale. So boom, this is what I'm using to throw on up in there. Gotta have lime. Gotta have the lime. What? Just because, baby? Just because. One whole small lime. Looks like we're hydrated. So that only took about 7 minutes. So we all good. To add the soul, you gotta have that Lawry's. You gotta have that Lawry's to add the soul. Let me see. Let's do some oregano. I'm gonna do 2 teaspoons of oregano. I like thyme, so 1 teaspoon of thyme. Half teaspoon of cumin. Half teaspoon of coriander. Do I'm gonna do like 2 of those. Bam. One. All right. Two. That's about all you need. A clove. There's a very strong herb there. Pineapple juice. That. I got sweet tooth. So boom. What's that? About a teaspoon of honey. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You know. And we're gonna go ahead and put this water in here and everything with the peppers. Oh baby. Look like we're gonna have us a marinade. Let's get her blended up. Be back. Oh man. They almost got me on a rookie move. I forgot the garlic, y'all. Now somebody probably been trying to follow this step by step, watching this and be like, hey, I ain't did it already. And I get to this part and be like, oh yeah, I forgot the garlic. That's why we're gonna go ahead. Hey baby, make sure the whole recipe goes in the description box. I guess this should be enough garlic. It's about 5 cloves. So this one's real big. See, that's why it's best to, you know, lay everything out, write it down, and put it out in front of you. You know, so I'm gonna start doing that more. Just write everything down. It had everything, and go over a checklist and everything, and put it down. Here, hey baby, this is all the ingredients, right? All right, and then if it don't go right, I miss something. I'm blaming it on you.
That's how you feel.
Yep. All right, get my garlic in here. It's got that Al Pastor smell. And for the star of the show, the rib tips. It's come from that box of 10-pound rib tips that Moy and Oink sell. Let's see if we can get all these up in this dish here. Look like it's gonna make it. You beautiful marinade. We're just gonna pour the whole thing in there. Then we're gonna use some of this as a sauce too. We're gonna, after we do the marinade, we cook it down. Smell good already, don't it? All right, let me get this covered, y'all. Boy, this show enough gonna be some flavor. Y'all already know. Overnight. See y'all in the morning. Now, it won't be classic rib tips without some hickory wood. So I got that set in the middle. As you see, I got some leftover B&B charcoal. Let's get some new B&B charcoal in there with it. Take some out. I don't want it to be too hot. Just trying to run it at 250. Let's get some lighter cubes in here. Put one right there and one right here. That baby lit. Get you lit. And as they say, we lit. All right, let it come on up to temp. We gonna get ready, y'all. This show gonna take about a half an hour or so to come up to temp. Go take this meat out. Let this meat sit out for about an hour. So, and that's it, y'all. I have to clean the grates now. Look at that, y'all. Let's get it going. Look at that sweet marinade. Ooh-wee. You see that flavor? Mm-mm. Boy, So I'm gonna let it roll like this for like a good hour. Come on back and flip it. It's looking good. Got the hickory going. It's all good. It's nice outside. Ooh, see, I'm getting y'all ready for the summer. It's nice out here already. All right, see y'all back in 1 hour. We got it going low and slow. 225 right now. We're gonna probably get it up to 250, or we might just leave it right here. I don't know. It's doing good. Let's take a look, see how this side doing. Mmm. Ooh, it's quite pretty.
It smells delicious too.
So you gotta have that hickory, and we doing this over an open fire too, y'all. Classic barbecue style. I know what I'm doing here. Oh yeah,
That sounds pretty big.
look at that. Ooh. So we know where the heat is at. We got the heat going on this side. So I'm gonna do a little rotation. Should have got my gloves, but that's all right. It's called improvisation. There we go. See what I'm saying? You learn. You're learning something. I'll probably go ahead and give it about an hour, 15, you know. Let it just do its thing, develop some deep color. Whew. It's been the other hour, so we had 2 hours. Let's see if we got the color we want. Smoky. What y'all think? The color is good, or we could go just at least 30 minutes longer. A little longer, all right. So I think this one needs a little more color. I don't know. We probably go 30 minutes to an hour or something. I don't know. We're just gonna let this thing do what it do. Look at that though. Yeah. These things are looking good. We're not gonna say exact time now. I'll let you know when we go to wrap them how long we went. Let's do a temperature check. 150. That one's 181. 168. 184 is because that's the small one. As long as it's above 165, we could go ahead and get our wrap on. Feel good. Man, I can't wait on these. Shoot. Just open this one. All right. And then cook down the sauce some. That's about all we need. We don't need to like drown it. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Get that tight wrap there. We're gonna go this way. Oh man, we got a little hole. That's alright though. We gonna double wrap it. All right, I'm gonna finish wrapping the rest of these and then put it back on the smoker. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna let this roll for about an hour and a half. It's gonna be super tender. Oh yes. See, boy, these rib tips put a smile on your face. They put a smile on your face. Just go, just tear it open. Woo! Wee! Oh wow! Oh, whoa! What's going on with the ball?
Balls that fell out.
It let it cool down a little bit. It's still hot. I was just frantic. I know I was supposed to let it cool. But I said, we take it off. We covered it here. It's smelling so good. So let me pop it over. So give me 5 minutes. Oh my God. So I had to sit down for this one, y'all. Look at that, it's still hot. Let's go. Mm-mm. Look at that. Bones still just popping out. Cartilage and everything popping out. Man. This is exactly how I picture al pastor to taste on a rib tip. Because it's pork. And they put it on pork. And man, I think we got something here, y'all. Y'all better do this. This is gonna be the next big thing. Sometimes coming. Y'all saw how it was done. I'm out.
Dang. You killing it.
Leave me alone.